You were there when I was here, falling like tears. You say you came, you didn't, don't have to pretend that you want me, cause you don't care. I don't need friends, near you. If I tell you something, I can live without you, but I always say that I don't want to, cause I'm really stuck all about you.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's do an unboxing. It's been a while since I've been on the YouTube streets. It's been a long while, but I have stuff that I bought that I want to share with you guys. I've been, trying to do wig reviews on TikTok. I bought a mic, so I'm gonna show you and then I'm gonna install it. So these are the things that I bought. I already took them out of the boxes because Takealot can just send you too many boxes. Alright, let's get into it. I bought this wireless microphone and I think it works. Like I really tested it out, but I'm gonna test it again right now. I think it works. My phone has a problem with the speaker, so I should probably get this. It comes with a charger, mic. I'm using an iPhone. I was also given this, and then this you attach it. Yeah, you attach it here like so. Yeah, you see. So yeah, I think you guys can hear me very well right now. I also bought this tripod, but I feel like Takealot scammed me because I really thought this was like very long. Like it's very steady. I also got a new ring light. I'm gonna check if this is working. Heavier and more portable. I mean more durable than the one my sister had. This tripod stand feels heavy. Okay. Yeah. Personally, I don't like this. Let's see. Ooh, period. I actually like this one. Yeah. Yes. I bought new sneakers. I've been wanting these sneakers for like 2 years now, and um, listen, listen, okay, listen. Ah, these are so cute. I just had to go outside, like, oh my god, like, listen. And these fit me perfectly, but they're a bit too tight, so I might have to wear them with secret socks, but I'm not mad. Prepare to be sick of me, like, come on now.